Hi, good morning, CPTO here. Well, you know, uh, perhaps I would try to see whether you can share with me the experience of the Tao. As you can see, I'm just at the edge of the park. There's a fence, and there's a lot of jungle fowl, and you can see they are making all these noises. So this is, I would say, being at this moment experiencing the nature, experiencing the Tao, experiencing the the trees, the falling leaves, the the flowers, the scent of the flowers. Now all this can only be experienced, and it cannot be fully described in words, just like the Tao. So this is my reflection that the Tao is everywhere, and if we only take our consciousness to realize that this wonderful world of us, how the tree grow, how the birds fly, all these wonderful things, the sound of the breeze, the sound of the wave. To me, these are all part of nature, and to experience that, you need to be there at the moment and realize it. Thank you.